Welcome to Mashvisor. If you're an investor who's looking to analyze an off-market listing or a property that is not available on the Mashvisor platform, you can use our Add Property feature to help you upload listings. This feature will give you the flexibility of uploading as many listings as you'd like. You would add the listing address, property type, state, city, zip code, the estimated price. You can add the status as active or off market, add the number of beds and baths. The Mashvisor default is set to not publish on Mashvisor. If you decide to publish it on Mashvisor, you can simply do that. When adding the listing, it will get added into your selected property page. Any of the properties that you click on will take you to the property page where Mashvisor will provide you with an analysis of that home, showing you its potential rental income, its monthly expenses, cash flow, cash on cash return, cap rate, and accumulated profit. You can adjust the numbers accordingly depending on if you're financing a deal or you decide to adjust the expenses, such as management fees or adding additional expenses like Wi-Fi and TV. The Add Property feature is used for investors who are analyzing off-market listings or properties that are not found on the Mashvisor platform. Feel free to use the additional videos in our support channel to help you navigate our service.